Hey guys, it's Brian from SamCart, and I want to show you something really, really important. I think we have discovered one of the fastest ways that I've seen in a long time to boost your sales online. This takes like literally 2 minutes to set up. If you guys know anything about us at SamCart, we are obsessed about ways to make your customers worth more money to you, even make your leads worth more to you. But this is really today about making your customers worth two, three, four, 5 times more to your business. So at SamCart, we have three main plans. When we try to sell our own product, which is SamCart, we have three plans. Most people sign up monthly, and it's anywhere from 80 bucks all the way up to 300 bucks plus a month. So we are constantly trying to figure out, like, what do we upsell here? Once we get somebody in the door on one of these monthly plans, what can we upsell? I've actually written a bunch of custom GPT prompts lately to help us come up with ideas when we're always trying to relay those ideas back to you guys, because you should be asking yourselves the same question. And one of those ideas was to upsell people to a yearly plan. Now, the problem with getting somebody who comes in, let's say on our middle plan, SamCart Grow at 159 bucks a month, to then upsell them to essentially the same access level, this access level. So let's pretend you're selling a community or a membership or some sort of subscription, and you have basic, pro, and plus. To upsell them essentially from one product that is monthly to a different product that is yearly, but they're both giving the same level of access is extremely difficult. Moving people around, managing all the orders, changing subscriptions, refunding them initially what they bought, it can become a nightmare. We've seen this work so many times in our industry of selling software and in the industry that a lot of you guys are in. If you're selling memberships, paid communities, software, mastermind groups, even like levels of service that are ongoing that have different tiers, this is extremely important. And we knew it would work extremely well. I mean, we do this on the back end. We don't do it in our upsell flow, which leaves a ton of money on the table. We would just get people into this monthly program, put them into some sort of email, if I could spell, some email cadence down here that then moves them into the yearly plan. And we would have customer support sitting over here, and they would go manage all of the people that took this yearly upgrade, change their billing, refund, and prorate their initial payment. The whole thing was kind of a nightmare. But we decided to put it in our one-click upsell flow. That page that once you hit a SamCart checkout page, it's the page you immediately see where you might have a video at the top, some copy, and a button so that they can click that one button immediately and upgrade their account. And it converted extremely well. It makes sense. One of the upsells that we always preach to you guys is consistency and congruency. If you're the ultimate upsell, the best converting upsell is selling them more of basically the same thing they just bought. If you're selling, you know, supplements or physical products, sell them more of what they just bought is incredibly congruent because you know they're interested in that thing. So we did this, and this was taking them from this $159 a month plan over here and moving them to a $1,500 per year. And this converted so well, damn near 10%. So 10% of 100 or $1,500 is we were making an extra $150 per customer that bought this $159 a month plan, which effectively doubles our day one ROAS. And that's return on ad spend. If you're, however you're doing marketing, if you're doing paid ads, if you're doing anything else, this doubled the amount of money we're collecting up front. It pulls a lot of that revenue forward, which allows us to use it to do whatever we want, increase ad spend, hire more people, improve our product. It does us an incredibly good service as a business to get that money sooner rather than later. Plus, these $1,500 a year buyers are extremely good. They're bought in. They're going to stay inside of SamCart for a lot longer than your traditional monthly subscriber. So we were doing all of this by hand. Like I said, we built the upsell pages by hand. We had customer support go, and anytime somebody took this, go manually move their subscription, move things around, and it was a pretty big nightmare. That was the bad news. The good news is we have now productized this into SamCart so that anyone, you included, can now go in and take advantage of this new upgrade feature where you can sell one product on the front end and upgrade them to essentially a higher level of service, a higher tier, a more expensive plan, a bigger bundle, and a whole bunch of other really creative ways And I want to show you how that works right here. So let me pull up SamCart and show you how that works. Okay, so this is inside my SamCart account. If you're not familiar with SamCart, it's an e-com platform where you can create any type of product, digital, physical service, any type of payment plan, one-time payment subscriptions, limited, recurring, all kinds of different stuff. So I have this monthly membership product in here under settings where I can change the price, the billing frequency, upload products, both digital and physical, and do all kinds of stuff like integrations, emails, everything else. Over on the share tab, this is where I can take the checkout form, the order form where someone can buy. I can either use our express checkout page, which is just a beautiful, really fast loading, mobile friendly way for someone to buy this product, or I can go embed it onto my own sales page or website, or I can set up my own landing page right inside of SamCart. So I'm going to go ahead and use this express checkout page. You can see I have order bumps set up. I can collect money any type of way that I want. And this is a $29 a month monthly membership. But I want to upsell someone to the yearly billing of this same membership. So all I'm going to do is go back to my products and I'm going to set up this yearly membership. That's $270 a year. So now that that product is set up, I just go back to my main product, go to offers, select that yearly upgrade from the upsell tab, and the upsell page is already written for me. Everything's dynamic. It shows them exactly what they're going to pay. So if I go back through here and fill out this checkout page and sign up for the $29 a month membership, then I'm going to be presented with this simple upsell page. Again, everything's already written for you, and I'll show you how to fully customize this in a minute. And it's going to prorate what I already paid. So it's going to take the $270 per year that you would normally pay for this product, and it's going to automatically subtract the amount of money that you need to subtract based on what the front end product was. And it's going to upgrade them to yearly billing, cancel their monthly billing, and everything is going to be done for you as soon as they click upgrade. Plus, the customers see it right here on the order summary page. You can see I went through and bought. I've got the monthly membership for $29. I upgraded to the annual, and it basically billed me the full $270 and made sure I was not billed the $29 for the monthly. I'm now only on one subscription. I get access to everything I need to get access to because SamCart's integrations are already set up, and you are basically good to go. And the even better part is because SamCart lets you do this, if you want to customize this upsell page with videos, images, text, timers, anything that you want, you just go right into SamCart and do it for you. So right here, I'm in the upsell builder. So I can drag headlines, text, images, buttons, anything else that I want right onto this page, and I can bring this page to life. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT where we had this prompt that basically gave us the idea for these upsells, and I had it write me the actual upsell copy. So I'm just going to copy this in real quick just to show you the power of this page builder. I'm going to copy this in here, put everything right into ChatGPT, make this the headline. And you can see within just a few seconds, I have my headline up the top, my body copy right in the middle. I could add images or videos or really anything else that you want. You can add testimonials, a countdown timer to let people know that this offer is only available once. And you have your add to my order button down here at the bottom. Plus, you have full control over both the desktop and the mobile version of these pages. So everything looks good on any device. And just to jump back to the iPad real quick, if you're wondering how this might work for you, here's some of my favorite use cases of where I think this is going to be extremely valuable. If you just have a simple product on the front end of your business, whether it's a digital product or a physical product, you might be able to create some sort of mega bundle where that product is part of that bundle. If that's the case, this was normally very difficult in the past to sell a bundle that included that front end product, but now it's extremely easy. So now you can sell that $49 product on the front end and include it in some sort of mega bundle that might be $200, $300, $400 on the back end. Or maybe this back end offer that you can upsell is actually a $100 a month membership that also includes this front end product, and you want them to be credited the night if they paid on the front end. That's a perfect example. Here's another one that I know is popular. Someone does a big launch of a really high ticket product and they sell a bunch of people into a payment plan. Now you can actually offer this pay in full option on your one-click upsell that takes away the first $199 payment and puts it towards this $1,499 paid in full option to let people pay off all these payments and you not have to worry about it. Same thing if you have a community. Let's say you have a $19 a month community and you have a $99 a month VIP community. You can send everybody into this base one, upsell this top one, credit them the 19 that they just paid, and put them seamlessly right onto that VIP community. So Look, when it comes to actually scaling your business, driving up customer value is the key. Every big VIP that we have, folks doing 7, 8, 9 figures a year, they obsess over how can I drive up customer value? And this is the fastest way to do it. So you can try it out completely free today if you want to get access to this new upgrades feature. It is only on our scale plan right now because of how valuable it is. So if you're on our scale plan, you have it completely free starting today. If not, you can try the scale plan out completely free. And if you're someone who wants to kind of skip the line and not wait around to get results, we have a done for you option right here that you should be able to see somewhere on this page if you want our team to just set all this up for you. Plus, just for giving the scale plan a try, if you want to try this out, I'll give you that upsell prompt that I just showed you, which we use internally to develop tons of upsell ideas. If you're not sure what else can I sell my customers to drive up customer value, plus it writes all your upsell copy for you based on the script that we perfected, not only writing copy for upsells for the last 10, 15 years, but all of the pages that we see convert the best across the entire SamCart database. We've kind of pre-programmed this thing and you can have it completely free for just giving it a try. So scroll down below somewhere on this video or below this video, you'll be able to see a button where you can try out the scale plan or have us do it for you. And if you're already a customer of SamCart Scale, Merry Christmas because it is in your account right now. You can go set up an upsell, make it an upgrade, and it will work seamlessly for you. So let us know how it works, and we will talk to you all soon.